myself Manjari. Welcome to Math Learning. In this session, I am going to complete remaining sums of exercise 11.4. Now, let us discuss first example for today. Show that tan square theta plus tan power 4 theta equals to secant power 4 theta minus secant square theta. So, what is LHS here? Tan square theta plus tan power 4 theta. Now, that equals to, here we are taking tan square theta common. Tan square theta into 1 tan square theta plus as it is tan square theta. So tan square theta into tan square theta, tan power 4 theta. Since from trigonometric identity secant square theta minus tan square theta equals to 1, how we can write here? In the place of tan square theta, secant square theta, this plus 1 comes here and becomes minus 1. Secant square theta minus 1 into, so in the place of 1 plus tan square theta, we can write here secant square theta equals to secant square theta into secant square theta. Secant power 4 theta. How much? Secant square theta into secant square theta? Secant power 4 theta minus 1 into secant square theta, secant square theta. This is RHS. Therefore, LHS equals to RHS. Next, fifth question. What is given here? Show that 1 by cos theta minus cos theta equals to tan theta into sin theta. What is LHS? 1 by cos theta minus cos theta. So, here we have to take LCM. Cos theta by 1, that equals to 1 into 1. How much? 1 minus, as it is, cos theta into cos theta, cos square theta by cos theta. Since from the trigonometric identity, what is the trigonometric identity here? Sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. So from this we can write in the place of 1 minus cos square theta, sin square theta by cos theta, that equals to sin theta by cos theta into sin, we are separating this into sin theta. Here sin square theta is there. So sin theta by cos theta we are taking into sin theta. Sin theta by cos theta means tan theta into sin theta as it is. This is RHS. Therefore, LHS equals to RHS. So, therefore, what is LHS here? 1 by cos theta minus cos theta equals to what is RHS? Tan theta into sin theta. This is the solution. Sixth problem. What is given here? Simplify secant A into 1 minus sin A into secant A plus tan A. So, here secant A into 1 minus sin A into secant A plus tan A. That equals to secant A into 1 secant A minus secant A into minus as it is secant A into sin A into secant A into sin A into what is given here? Secant A plus tan A. That equals to secant A minus secant A as it is minus, how we can write secant? 1 by cos into sin A as it is into secant A plus tan A as it is. That equals to secant A minus, now here 1 into sin A is sin A. Sin A by cos A, what we will get? Sin A by cos A means tan A. So secant A minus tan A into secant A plus tan A as it is. Since this is in the form of A minus B into A plus B. So secant A minus tan A into secant A plus tan A. What is the formula? A minus B into A plus B equals to A square minus B square. That equals to, here A means secant. Secant square A minus, what is B here? Tan A. Secant square A minus tan square A. That equals to secant square A minus tan square A means from the trigonometric identity, secant square A minus tan square A equals to 1. This is the solution. Now seventh question. What is given here? Prove that sin A plus cosecant A whole square plus cos A plus secant A whole square equals to 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. So, LHS equals to sin A plus cosecant A whole square plus cos A plus secant A whole square. So, this is in the form of A plus B whole square. These are in the form of A plus B whole square. So, what is the formula for A plus B whole square? A square plus B square plus 2AB. That equals to sin square A plus cosecant square A plus 2 into sin A into cosecant 2 into sin A into cosecant A plus again this is also in the form of A plus B whole square plus cos square A plus secant square A plus 2 into cos A into secant A, that equals to sin square A. Now we are taking this sin square A plus cos square A plus cosecant square A plus secant square A plus now what is remaining here? 2 into sin A cosecant A plus 2 into cos A secant A. Since from this trigonometric identities sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. So here sin square A plus cos square A equals to 1. That equals to 1 plus. So from this identity cosecant square theta minus cot square theta equals to 1. In the place of cosecant square A, what we can write here? 1 plus cot square A plus. Now in the place of secant square A, what we can write here? 1 plus. From this identity secant square theta minus tan square theta equals to 1. In the place of secant square A, what we can write here? 1 plus tan square A plus 2 into sin A. So cosecant A can be written as 1 by sin A. Now this sin A both are cancelled. Plus 2 into cos A. Now secant A can be written as 1 by cos A. So 2 into cos A, secant A can be written as 1 by cos A. Now this cos A will be cancelled. So now that equals to 1 plus cot square A plus 1 plus tan square A plus, so both sin A's are cancelled here. So 2 into 1, 2 plus both cos A's are cancelled. So what is remaining here? 2 into 1, how much? 2. That equals to, now we should add these values. 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3 plus 2 plus 2, 4. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus remaining ratios we have to write as it is. Square A, 7 plus cot square A plus tan square A. This is RHS. Therefore, LHS equals to RHS. What is LHS here? Sin A plus cosecant A whole square plus cos A plus secant A whole square equals to what is RHS? 7 plus cot square theta plus tan square theta. This is the solution. Take the problem. Simplify 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta into 1 plus cot square theta. So what is given here? 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta into 1 plus cot square theta. So this is in the form of a minus b into a plus b. This is equals to a square minus b square. That equals to 1 minus cos square theta into 1 plus cot square theta as it is. Now from cosecant square theta minus cot square theta equals to 1. What we can write in the place of 1 plus cot square theta? Cosecant square theta. So sin square theta into cosecant square theta. That equals to sin square theta as it is. Now cosecant square theta can be written as 1 by sin square theta. Now this sin square theta both are cancelled. That equals to what is remaining here? 1. This is the solution. Ninth question. What is given here? If secant theta plus tan theta equals to p. If secant theta plus tan theta equals to p. Then what is the value of secant theta minus tan theta? So what we have to find? Value of secant theta minus tan theta. Already in the question secant theta plus tan theta equals to p is given. Now we have to find the value of secant theta minus tan theta. So what is given here? Secant theta plus tan theta equals to p. This is given. We can find the value of secant theta minus tan theta with the help of trigonometric identity. So what is trigonometric identity here? Secant square theta minus tan square theta equals to 1. From this identity we can write secant theta plus tan theta into secant theta minus tan theta equals to 1. So what is given in the question? secant theta plus tan theta equals to P. In the place of secant theta plus tan theta, what we have to take? Already it is given in the question. Secant theta plus tan theta equals to P. So P into this we have to find. This value we have to find. P into secant theta minus tan theta equals to 1. So P into secant theta minus tan theta equals to 1. That implies secant theta minus tan theta equals to 1. Now this multiplication P becomes here division 1 by P. So secant theta minus tan theta equals to 1 by P. This is the solution. So now 10th problem. If cosecant theta plus cot theta equals to K, then prove that cos theta equals to K square minus 1 by K square plus 1. What we have to prove here? Cos theta equals to K square minus 1 by K square plus 1. So given, what is given here? Cosecant theta plus cot theta equals to K. This is given. This we have to consider as equation 1. So from the trigonometric identity, cosecant square theta minus cot square theta equals to 1. So now this we can write as we discussed in the earlier problem, this we can write as cosecant theta plus cot theta into cosecant theta minus cot theta equals to 1. That implies cosecant theta plus cot theta. It is given in the question. Cosecant theta plus cot theta equals to K. So that implies K into cosecant theta minus cot theta equals to 1. That implies cosecant theta minus cot theta equals to 1. Now this multiplication K becomes here division 1 by K. So that implies cosecant theta minus cot theta equals to 1 by K. This we have to consider as equation 2. Now add equations 1 and 2. Now we have to add equations 1 and 2. So what is equation 1? Cosecant theta plus cot theta equals to K. What is equation 2? Cosecant theta minus cot theta equals to 1 by K. Now this plus cot theta minus cot theta both are cancelled. So here cosecant theta plus cosecant theta 2 cosecant theta equals to K plus what we have to do? We have to add. So K plus 1 by K. That implies 2 into cosecant theta equals to K into K. Now we have to take here LCM. So K into K, K square plus 1 into 1, 1 by K. This we have to consider as equation 3. Now subtract equation 1 from equation 2. So what is equation 1 here? Cosecant theta plus cot theta equals to K. Cosecant theta minus cot theta equals to 1 by K. So here both are plus. So we have to take here minus. Here minus is there. So we have to take here plus. Here plus. Both are plus means here minus we should take. Now plus cosecant theta minus cosecant theta is cancelled. So cot theta plus cot theta 2 cot theta equals to K minus 1 by K. K minus 1 by K. That implies 2 cot theta equals to, we have to take here LCM. K into K, K square minus 1 into 1. We have to take here LCM. So K into K, K square minus 1 into 1, 1 by K. This we have to consider as equation 4. Divide equation 4 by equation 3. So what is equation 4? 2 cot theta equals to K square minus 1 by K by, what is equation 3? 2 cosecant theta equals to K square plus 1 by K. Now this both 2's are cancelled. Here this K and this K are cancelled. Both K's are cancelled. So what is remaining? So what is remaining here? Cot theta by cosecant theta equals to K square minus 1 by K square plus 1. That implies cot theta. Now we have to separate this. Cot theta into 1 by cosecant theta. We are separating this. Cot theta into 1 by cosecant theta equals to K square minus 1 by K square plus 1. That implies cot theta can be written as cos theta by sin theta into 1 by cosecant theta can be written as sin theta. So both sin theta and sin theta is cancelled, equals to what is remaining here? K square minus 1 by k square plus 1. It implies cos theta equals to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. This is only we have to prove. So this is the solution. With this we have completed exercise 11.4 and trigonometry chapter.